Hey everybody, Troy here, Dirt Church Industries. Today I want to show you a new product we've been working on for the 2017 to 2020 Ford F-150 or Ford Raptors. Behind the factory seat, we are mounting a twin ARB compressor. These compressors are absolutely indestructible and awesome for airing up dirt bike tires, truck tires, airbags, train horns for yourself or for anybody else out on the trail. Normally what sits in this location is a scissor jack. That will be removed and replaced with a 2 or 4 ton bottle jack of your choice. Installation is really straightforward, takes about 3 to 3.5 hours with basic hand tools. The only permanent modification you'll need to do is route the wiring harness. Behind this plastic panel, you'll drill a 3/4 inch hole. The wiring harness will snake behind the jack and plug into the factory ARB plug-ins right there. Both the compressor and the jack are sitting on top of 1/4 inch thick rubber pads so it will not rattle when installed in your vehicle. In the kit that we sell, there's 4 powder-coated steel brackets, 1 to mount the compressor, 1 to mount the jack, as well as 2 to mount the quick to connect couplers on both the driver and passenger side. Also in the kit, 1/4 inch T push to connect fitting, airlines, or 1/4 inch push to connect fittings, 3 brass couplers, air hose, Blue C 80 amp circuit breaker, 6 gauge wiring, everything you need to mount this compressor in the back of your truck. Simply push in, that's it. These are rattle free, and when the seat is in the folded up position, it will not get kicked by yourself, your occupants, or your dog. I'll take you to the underside and show you the wiring harness. That's where you're going to drill the 3/4 inch hole to mount the factory ARB wiring that will run alongside of the frame. Just on the other side of the body mount is where our 6 gauge wiring harness comes into play. I'll take you to the top side and show you that. So there's our 6 gauge wiring harness, snuck in between the inner fender well, zip tied in a couple of spots. We have the positive wire going to the 80 amp circuit breaker, the negative wire tying into the factory ground alongside of your body, the 12 volt positive jumper wire that goes into the battery. There's a purple signal wire shown right there, and that will tie into your factory upfitter switches right there. We chose to use upfitter switch number 6 because this compressor takes 3 amps to turn on, and upfitter switch number 6 on this F-150 is a 5 amp circuit. So that leaves us upfitter switch 1 through 5 for more heavy duty accessories like lights or winches that require more amp draw. Turn it on. There you go. Now you have roughly 100 PSI on your truck at all times. Be sure to check out our website, dirtchurchindustries.com. We have everything on our website in stock. I'd love to give you a rundown, answer any questions you might have. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We also have this kit for the 2014 to 2016 F-150s, as well as a 2021 to present 2023 F-150s for Raptors, as well as for these big guys right here. We have them for the 2017 and newer Super Duties. Again, check out our website, dirtchurchindustries.com. I'd love to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.